Hi, welcome to the third and last installment of the Document Cameras Quick Start Guide. In the interim between the last episode, I just tidied up the cords, made everything look nice and pretty, and now we're ready to go ahead and turn the unit on. If you'll notice, the power button is amber, means power is getting to the unit appropriately. Press that button once, and you'll notice that the amber light will begin to blink. That means the unit is booting up, running through its diagnostics, getting ready to go. At this time, go ahead and also turn on your projector so it can be up and running as well. The boot up process takes between 15 and 30 seconds, somewhere along those lines. And unfortunately, I don't have any witty comments or funny jokes to tell to pass the time, so we'll just wait for a moment. There we go. You'll notice when it is up and running and everything is ready to go, two buttons will be blue and you'll have two indicator lights. In theory, it should have automatically connected to the video projector. Everything should be up and running, and when you wave your hand underneath the lens, you should be able to see it on the screen. Now, two things that would keep this from happening, the first of which is, if you'll notice this indicator, I'll go ahead and zoom in. This indicator, where it says output, needs to be on RGB. So that light on RGB needs to be on. If that light is not on, flip it over to the side that has the big hole in it. Big hole. And if you'll notice, there's a switch. That switch, one side says RGB, one side says TV. If you switch it to RGB, that will change the setting. The light that was under TV will now go to RGB. And that should have solved your problem. If that didn't, we'll have to address that on a more individual basis and figure out what's going on. Second thing is how to connect this to the computer. As I mentioned, in setting the unit up this way, we get to take full advantage of all of its bells and whistles. Mainly that I have the computer, whatever signal is coming out of the computer is going into the document camera here. And then the document camera is going directly out to the projector. And right now, when this light is blue, whatever is being seen under the projector lens is being shown on the projector. Now, in the event that I want to change that so that what is being shown on the computer is shown on the projector, I press this blue button that's labeled Computer PC. Blue light goes off, and now what was on the computer screen is being projected on the projector. If I want to switch back and show what's being shown on from the document camera itself on the projector, press that button again, it turns blue, and now whatever is being picked up by the document camera is shown on the projector. So you can switch back and forth like that. The other option in setting this up to work in conjunction with the computer is we can take advantages of the benefits that the program provides. The program is called Sphere, the three-dimensional circle. When I listened to the video, it was hard to understand that I was saying sphere, three-dimensional circle, instead of fear, so I just threw that in for clarification and humor's sake. Now, when you turn that program on, double-click on it, it's going to come up and say camera not connected. Now, don't panic. You connected the USB cable, power is on, everything's running, should be connected. One thing we're overlooking, the document camera is designed to be either run totally independently without a computer or with a computer. When it's in no computer mode, to be run without a computer, you can store the photos you take or videos you record directly to the unit. And that happens through the USB port on the side or the SD card port on the other side. Next to the USB, you'll notice this switch again. Has the picture of a PC, has the picture of a USB thumb drive. This is determining where the storage is going to take place. So if you want to use this in conjunction with the program, you need to flip the switch over to PC. When you do that, the indicator light will switch from thumb drive, which it is now, to PC. Unfortunately, switching it now disrupts the video, as I've learned, so I won't be able to demo that. However, when you flip the switch, the light will change to PC, and the camera will be recognized by the program, and you can explore the program. And ladies and gentlemen, you have a document camera that is up and running. There is official training coming down on how to use its more advanced features and even its basic features that I haven't covered. That will be coming down in the next couple weeks, and it's still being put together at the moment. If you have any questions, please get a hold of your site person, and we will go from there. Again, there is training coming down. Please just be patient as we get everything working and put together for that training. Hope you enjoyed this 3-part quick start guide, and hope you enjoy being able to use this in your classroom and in further your instruction. Thank you so much.